Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 1, 5th problem. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? Here height of the pole given and angle of elevation is given 30 degrees. Angle made by the rope with the pole is 30 degrees given. What should be the length of the rope? Look at the figure. You are erecting a pole of 10 meters length with 3 ropes. This is rope 1, rope 2, rope 3. These 3 ropes are of equal length. 3 ropes are of equal length. Here if you will join this, see once this become a right angle triangle, I will take this right angle triangle. Height of the pole is 10 meters. Rope 1 and rope 2, rope 3 are equal length. Means let the length of each rope is equal to, I will think as x say. In हिंदी एक पोल खड़ा करने के लिए हम लोग 10 मीटर्स की पोल खड़े करने के लिए 3 इक्वल लेंथ्स ऑफ रोप्स ले रहे और टाई कर रहे. टाई करें तो ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल फॉर्म हो रहा. हम लोग ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ले रहे लेकर प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेंगे. इन తెలుగు ఒక 10 మీటర్స్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ పోల్ ఉన్నది. దీన్ని నిలబెట్టడానికి 3 రోప్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. అవి 3 రోప్స్ 3 తాళ్ళు సేమ్ లెంత్ సేమ్ సైజు తీసుకొని మనం టై చేసాం. మనకు ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకొని మనం రోప్ లెంత్ కనుక్కుంటాం. అండ్ హియర్ యాంగిల్ మేడ్ బై ద రోప్ విత్ ద పోల్ ఈజ్ 30 degrees. దిస్ ఈజ్ 30 degrees. Now this is form a right angle triangle. Look at the figure. In a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. This is the height of the pole. Height of the pole is equal to given 10 meters. And length of each rope is equal to x. Angle made by the rope with the pole is equal to 30 degrees. Now this is the longest side. AC is the longest side. Therefore AC is the hypotenuse. And BC, okay, first hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side. Hypotenuse B side angle is called adjacent side. And next side, another side is called opposite side. Opposite side. Now here let the length of each rope is equal to x we are taking. Let the length of each rope is equal to, we are taking x meters. And height of the pole is equal to 10 meters. Angle made by the rope with the pole, angle made by the rope with the pole is equal to 30 degrees. Here we will write 30 degrees. From the figure we will take here adjacent side already given 10 meters rope length, and we should find hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse means cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. We will write here cos theta means here theta is equal to 30 degrees, already angle given there. Therefore we will write cos 30 degrees is equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Here cos 30 degrees is equal to adjacent side. Here adjacent side is equal to AB. Adjacent side is equal to AB, and hypotenuse hypotenuse is equals to AC. Now cos 30 degrees is equals to AB. Here length of AB is 10 meters, height of the pole. AC is the length of the rope, each rope. How much? Here x we are taking, therefore AC is equals to x. AB is equals to 10, AC is equals to x. Now cos 30 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equals to 10 by x. This as it is will write, and will cross multiply. Root 3 into x. Root 3 into x is equals to 2 into 10. 2 into 10. Now this x is equals to 2 into 10 20. 2 into 10 20 by this root 3, right, RHS side. Multiplication quantity becomes a division quantity. X is equals to 20 by root 3. Here rationalizing with root 3 means multiplying and dividing by root 3. 20 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Now x is equals to 20 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square. Square root and square get cancelled. X is equals to 20 into root 3 by 3. Here 20 into root 3 by 3. 20 into root 3 is equals to 1.732. 1.732 by 3. We will cancel by 3 table. 3 ones 0.35. 3 5s 15. Means 2 remains 23. Again 3 7s 21. 2 remains. Again 3 7s 21. And 1 remains. 1 after 0 keep means 3 3s 9 is equals to 20 into 0.5773 is equals to 20 into this 5773. Convert this decimal into fraction. 5773 by 1 2 3 4. See here, point after how many decimal places there, that many zeros you write. Easiest method. Or else you should count to tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 20 into this decimal we converted into fraction. 5773 by 10,000 is equals to, here 1 0 get cancelled. 2 into 5773 by 1000 is equals to, multiply by 2 table. 2 3s 6, 2 7s 14. Again 2 7 14 plus 1 5. 2 7s 14 plus 1 5. Again 2 5s 10 plus 1 11 by 1000 is equals to, now convert this fraction into decimal. 11 11546. Where you will get decimal point, I will check. I will tell and see. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Left side you should take 1 2 3. Count this digit. 11.546 meters. Therefore x is equals to 11.546 meters. Here we got rope length. X is equal 11.546. But rope 1, rope 2, rope 3 means the total length of the rope we should find. We should find total length of the rope. X plus x plus x is equals to 3x, 3 into where x is equals to we got 11.546, 11.546. Now we'll multiply with 3 table. 3 6 18, 1 remains. 3 4 12, 1 3, again 3 5 15, 1 6, point 3 11 33 plus 1 34, 34.638 is equals to 34.64 meters. Total length of the rope is equals to total length of the rope used to erect the pole of height 10 meters is equals to 34.64 meters.